everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, my mom is going to be making her own kit on PvP Legacy. And just trust me on this one. Watch at your own risk. This kit is absolutely ridiculous. When you click a slot, you can choose which of the categories. And like in each category, there's different things, and then you can just click on a thing for it to come. And if you want to get rid of something, you can shift left click. And yeah, this is the armor, and then this is the offhands, and then these are your inventory slots, and this blue spot is your helper.
Oh, okay. Oh, a compass. I forgot about a compass. That'd be good to put in my kit. It fits the theme.
Okay.
A turtle.
Okay.
That's the fishing rod with the carrot.
Fishing rod with carrots. Okay. Parrot, pig, and wolf. The pig will go good with the carrot on a stick.
No, we don't want things that go good together. We need this doors.
Which type of doors? There's two.
Wood
or iron.
Oh, iron. Let's make iron. Okay, so let's give them a slowness splash potion.
I was expecting you to say slowness drinkable potion.
No.
Like, that would be weird.
I want to give them like a few things that could be useful.
Okay, let's see. If you had a crossbow, those would do
Oh
some
yeah,
damage.
I wanted to have a firework.
Okay, one firework?
Yeah. So a bucket of water and a bucket of lava. 2 buckets of lava, actually.
Shield?
Oh, a shield. No, that's too useful. Just no balls.
16?
Yeah.
That's a max in one stack.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm done.
anything else?
No,
okay.
I'm done.